Chapter 1. Leaving Home and Arriving. Stop for a moment. Do not rush. This story is not about coffee. It is about a feeling you rarely give yourself, a quiet moment alone. Today, I am going to a small cafe, not to meet someone, not to work hard, just to be there, just to sit and breathe. If you stay with me, this simple trip may change how your day feels. I leave my home slowly. I close the door behind me and feel a small sense of calm. I am not checking my phone. I am not thinking about messages. I walk down the street and listen to my steps. The city is moving, but I am not part of the rush. This walk feels like a pause between thoughts. As I walk, I notice small details: the sound of cars far away, the light on the buildings, people passing by with their own stories. I do not hurry. I remind myself that I chose this time. This moment is mine. I am allowed to slow down. A useful thought comes to my mind. I am not late. I am present. Soon I see the cafe. It is small and warm. Light shines through the window. I can already imagine the quiet inside. I slow my steps even more and reach for the door. Before opening it, I take one calm breath. I am ready to step inside and leave the noise outside. Useful phrases. I take my time. I go out alone. I am not in a hurry. This moment is mine. I feel calm and ready. Chapter 2. Choosing a Table. I step inside the cafe and gently close the door behind me. The street noise stays outside. Inside, everything feels softer. The light is warm. The air smells like coffee and milk. I stop for a second and let my eyes adjust. I do not rush to sit down. I want to feel this place first. This cafe feels small but safe, like a quiet corner of the city. I look around slowly. There are a few tables. Some are close to the window, some are deeper inside. A few people are already sitting there. They are quiet. No one is in a hurry. I like that. I remind myself that I do not need the perfect spot. I just need a comfortable one. A useful thought comes to me. I choose what feels right, not what looks perfect. I walk closer to the window and stop near a small table. From here, I can see the street outside. People pass by, cars move slowly. I imagine sitting here with a warm cup in my hands. This feels right. I pull the chair back and sit down. The chair is comfortable. The table is clean. I place my bag next to me and relax my shoulders. I sit quietly for a moment. I do not open my phone. I do not do anything yet. I just sit. I listen to the soft sounds around me. Cups touching plates, a quiet conversation somewhere behind me. This stillness feels good. I realize something simple but important. Being alone does not feel lonely here. It feels peaceful. I look outside again and take a slow breath. This table is my place for now. I feel settled. I feel ready. Soon I will order my coffee, but there is no need to hurry. This moment, right now, is already enough. Useful phrases. I look around slowly. I choose a small table. I sit by the window. I feel comfortable here. I take a calm breath. Chapter 3. Ordering a latte. After sitting for a moment, I feel ready to order. I stand up slowly and walk to the counter. I like this part. Ordering coffee feels simple but personal. The menu is on the wall. It is not too big. I do not need much time to decide. I already know what I want. A latte. Warm, soft, familiar. I wait in line quietly. There is one person in front of me. I do not feel impatient. Waiting feels easy here. I watch how the barista moves. Calm hands, small, clear actions. Coffee beans, milk, cups. Everything has its place. I enjoy watching this routine. It feels steady and grounding. When it is my turn, I step forward. I order a latte in a calm voice. The barista smiles and repeats my order. I nod. This short exchange feels friendly and human. Nothing extra, nothing rushed. I pay and move to the side to wait. I put my hands together and feel the warmth of the cafe around me. While waiting, I listen. The sound of the coffee machine, the soft steam, cups touching the counter. These sounds are quiet but alive. I do not check my phone. I let myself wait without distraction. A useful thought comes to my mind. Waiting can be calm, not empty. Soon, my latte is ready. The barista calls me. I step forward and take the cup carefully. It is warm in my hands. I feel the heat through the cup, and it makes me slow down even more. I thank the barista and turn back toward my table. As I walk, I hold the cup gently. I do not rush. I return to my chair and sit down. The latte is in front of me now. The smell is soft and comforting. I pause before taking the first sip. This moment feels complete. Ordering coffee was not just a task, it was part of the quiet rhythm I came here to enjoy. Useful phrases. I order a latte. I wait calmly. It is my turn. The cup feels warm. I enjoy this moment. Chapter 4. Watching people outside. I sit down with my latte and hold the cup in both hands. The warmth feels good. I take a small sip, slow and careful. The taste is soft and comforting. I place the cup back on the table and look outside through the window. From my seat, I can see the street clearly. People are walking by, each one moving in their own rhythm. Some people walk fast. They look at their phones or at the road ahead. Others walk slowly. They talk, laugh, or simply look around. I do not know their stories, and I do not try to imagine too much. I just watch. This feels peaceful. I am not part of the movement outside. I am observing it from a quiet place. I notice how different everyone looks. Different clothes, different faces, different moods. And yet, everyone is going somewhere. Watching people like this makes me feel calm and connected at the same time. I am alone, but I do not feel lonely. A useful thought comes to my mind. I can be alone and still feel connected. I take another sip of my latte. It is still warm. The cafe behind me is quiet. Soft sounds fill the space, but they do not disturb me. I like sitting by the window. It gives me space to think without pressure.
I am not scrolling, I am not rushing, I am just here. Time feels slower when I watch like this. Minutes pass without stress. I let my thoughts come and go. There is no need to control them. This moment teaches me something simple. I do not always need to do something. Sometimes watching is enough. Useful phrases. I sit by the window. I watch people outside. I take a small sip. I feel calm and present. I enjoy being here.
Chapter 5. Writing in my journal. After watching the street for a while, I feel the urge to write. I reach into my bag and take out my journal. The cover feels familiar in my hands. I place it on the table and open it slowly. The page is blank, clean, quiet. I like this moment. A blank page does not ask for anything. It only waits. I take a pen and hold it for a second. I do not rush to write. I take one more sip of my latte and breathe out slowly. Then I begin. I do not write anything important. No plans, no big ideas, just simple thoughts. How I feel, what I notice, small sentences. Writing like this feels honest. As I write, the cafe fades into the background. The sounds become softer. My attention stays on the page. I am not checking my phone. I am not switching between apps. I am with my words. This feels rare and valuable. A useful thought comes to my mind. When I write, my mind slows down. I pause sometimes and look outside again. Then I return to the page. There is no pressure to finish anything, no right or wrong way to write. This journal is just for me. Writing helps me understand myself better, even when I write very little. Even one sentence is enough. I notice how calm my body feels. My shoulders are relaxed. My breathing is slow. I feel focused but not tense. This is the kind of focus I like. Soft focus, gentle attention. I close the journal for a moment and place my hand on it. I am glad I brought it with me today. This quiet time with my journal feels like a small gift. Nothing special happened, but something inside feels clearer. I am ready to enjoy the rest of my coffee and this peaceful moment. Useful phrases. I open my journal. I write simple thoughts. I stay focused. I do not check my phone. Writing helps me slow down. Chapter 6. Enjoying quiet time alone. I finish the last sip of my latte and place the empty cup on the table. I do not rush to stand up. I stay seated for a few more moments. The cafe feels calm and familiar now. The sounds are soft. The light is warm. I feel comfortable being here, doing nothing. This quiet time feels complete. I look around one last time. People are still sitting, talking quietly or working on their own things. No one pays attention to me, and that feels good. I enjoy being invisible for a moment. Being alone here does not feel lonely. It feels safe. It feels like a small pause just for me. I take a slow breath and notice how my body feels. Relaxed, light. My thoughts are clear. There is no rush to go back to the noise of the day.
I remind myself that moments like this are important. They help me reset. They help me listen to myself again. After a while, I begin to gather my things. I put my journal back into my bag and stand up calmly. I do not hurry to leave. I thank the cafe quietly in my mind for this peaceful moment. As I walk toward the door, I feel grateful for this simple experience. I step outside and the street welcomes me back. The city feels a little louder now, but I am different. I am calmer. This visit was not about coffee, it was about slowing down, about choosing quiet, about giving myself space, and I know I can come back to this feeling again anytime I choose. Useful phrases. I enjoy quiet time. I feel calm inside. I take a deep breath. I am comfortable alone. I slow down. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with us. If you enjoyed this cozy story, don't forget to watch our other calm everyday videos. Stay with us and keep learning English slowly and naturally.
Thanks! Please subscribe and like. Spin a new yarn with us every week. See you there!